Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Call of Duty Black Ops 7, the application has unexpectedly stopped working with the error code 0xc0000374, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on Call of Duty Black Ops 7 easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data, you're going to go into local, and here you'll have this folder called Activision. Just delete that folder. And after that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you open up your game's platform, so Steam or Battle.net for example, you're going to right click on Call of Duty. You're going to go into properties, go into install files, click verify integrity of game's files on your Call of Duty. And once you do that, Steam will verify the integrity of Call of Duty Black Ops 7's game's files and it will fix that problem for you. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.